Hello, my fabulous students. I am so sorry that I had to cancel class today. I don't know what is going on with my internet, but it is not working. So I am doing a quick video and you will have an assignment to do. The only thing, and it will be the same thing that we were going to do in class today, except we won't be able to do the one-on-ones that I had planned, the check-ins that I had planned. So, but first of all, though, I'm going to go on a side note. I'm wearing my Utah State sweatshirt in honor of post-secondary education. So post-secondary education can be any education you receive after high school. That could be going to college, like a four-year college. That could be doing an apprenticeship where you find something that you really love doing and you work directly with a person for them to train you how to do it. It could be going to a technical school. So if you want to be a mechanic, um, it could be going to a school that's, maybe a 1 or 2 year program. If you want to go into the military, it's, signing up for the military, doing boot camp. So there are so many different avenues of post-secondary education that are available to you. And a four-year college is not the only one. I know we put a ton of emphasis on a four-year university, and if you choose to do that, that is fantastic. There are some excellent programs out there. But if that is not your what you want to do, there are so many different options for you. So that's why I wear my Utah State sweatshirt every Friday to just kind of honor post-secondary education. It's been amazing, amazing for me. All right, well, let's jump into what you are going to be doing today. First off, I want to talk to you a little bit about the different ways to show what you know for Project 4. I have decided that the portfolio is just going to be one of 3 options to show what you have learned. So you can do your portfolio page if you choose, but there are going to be 2 different other options. You are going to have the option of a teacher-student interview where we do a quick one-on-one and we talk about what you have learned. I'll ask you questions. You'll tell me your answers. I'll mark them down, type of a thing. So it's a way for you to verbally tell me what you have learned. That way you don't have to type anything and you don't have to read anything if that is a struggle for you. So I wanted you to know that this is an option. So teacher-student interview. The other one that's an option is a multiple choice quiz, 25 questions long. It will have multiple choice questions, true false questions, and a few short answer questions. Let me tell you, there is a pretty big issue though with a multiple choice question. It's not an issue, but I do want to let you know that if you choose this option and you just skim through it and you don't read the questions and you don't answer them the best that you can, the score that you get on your quiz will be the score that I put in the grade book. And so it's not going to be, oh, you completed the quiz, you get the full 25 points. No, it is going to be, if you answer 8 of the 25 questions correctly, I'm going to put an 8 for your project, like your final grade for the project. If you get a 25, then you'll get 100%. If you get 2 of them correct, then I'm going to put a 2. So you have to be really careful if you choose the multiple choice quiz so that you're really careful that you're reading the questions and you're answering them the best that you can. Now, I will say with the multiple choice quiz, you are able to retake it if you don't like your score. And just as you can redo any of these other options, or like if you don't get the full score on the portfolio, you can go back in and update your answers. If you did poorly on the teacher-student interview. I'll tell you what, this is probably going to be the simplest one out of the three. But these are your three options. So on the exit ticket today, please choose one of these three options of what you want to do. That way I know what to prepare for next week, because this project, our hygiene and grooming project, is going to be done next Friday. So we have one more week. All right, now for the second thing that you are going to be doing. You're going to be tracking your goal. If you did the exit ticket on Monday and you put a goal in there, then you can just track it and say, oh yeah, I did it this day, this day, this day. Yes, like you can put Y for yes, N for no, and you just track it up to today's date. If you did not put a goal in your exit ticket on Monday, or you didn't fill out the exit ticket, then this will be blank. If you did fill it out, this will have something written in it. Your response will be written in this. If you didn't, it will be blank, and you need to write a goal in there. I had a couple students say, I don't know. And again, for that one, you need to actually choose a goal. It could be anything that has to do with hygiene or grooming. So I have some students who are going to brush their hair every day. I have some students who are going to brush their teeth. I have some students who are going to wear clean clothes every day. So really, the goal is, if it has to do with hygiene or grooming, it is available. So that is what you guys are going to do. If you have any questions, I do have internet with my hotspot, but it just won't, my phone hotspot won't run Neuro. And so that's the reason why I have to cancel class, is because it won't run Neuro. So there you have it. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and the beginning of a weekend. And don't hesitate to reach out via email. I am here. I can answer. It's not like I'm like totally disconnected. We just couldn't have class today because, again, my phone hotspot won't run Neuro. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday.